Welcome to Treecut Tech, the ultimate destination for logging enthusiasts. Check out the powerful machines and logging chainsaws. If you like the roar of chainsaws and the power of heavy equipment, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Welcome to Treecut Tech. The PrimeTech PT 600 equipped with the IMG 1306 attachment clears almond trees with precision and speed. Its robust design makes it ideal for agricultural transformation. The Petzolato PTH 1200 to 660M transforms logs into chips with remarkable efficiency. Powered by the Caterpillar C9 engine, it stands as a testament to industrial capability. The Super Splitter with its CAP Turbo 80 HP engine works tirelessly, turning giant logs into manageable pieces. Its efficiency redefines what's possible in wood processing. The Steel MS 462C roars to life, slicing through a giant fir tree with ease. This powerhouse tool delivers both precision and raw power, making it an essential in modern forestry. High above the ground, skilled workers navigate the perilous task of cutting branches near power lines. Precision and courage define their work as they ensure safety and efficiency in one of the riskiest jobs in forestry. Small but mighty, the Kubota KX57 pushes down towering pine trees with calculated force, demonstrating the versatility of compact machinery. In the heart of the forest, the Komatsu 931XC with its powerful C124 cutter takes center stage. Precision and strength combine as it fells massive trees with unmatched efficiency. Inside the cabin, the operator's skill and technology unite to tame the wilderness. Through muddy trails and relentless terrain, the Belarus MTZ 1221.2 proves its worth. Towing a custom-built logging trailer, it powers through the challenges of wet forest conditions. The Timberjack 450C showcases its power and efficiency, hauling massive logs with ease. Its rugged design ensures minimal impact on the surrounding environment. The John Deere 1470G and 1510G form a dynamic duo in the forest. While the 1470G expertly harvests massive trees, the 1510G ensures smooth transportation, exemplifying precision and teamwork. The Meber HDZ 1200 Plus bandsaws transform softwood logs into precise, uniform planks. These machines redefine efficiency in timber processing. In the tropical rainforests, logging trucks brave the elements. Carrying immense loads, these vehicles navigate steep inclines and slippery trails, showcasing the resilience of modern machinery. Climbing steep slopes, the cat loader demonstrates its power by towing a fully loaded Volvo logging truck. This is machinery pushed to its limits, and it delivers. The Whiting PowerMax 700, with its automated feeder, turns raw wood into finished products at lightning speed. Precision meets speed in this cutting-edge machine. finished timber is carefully loaded onto trucks by skilled operators using powerful forklifts. This is the final step in a journey that started deep in the forest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy watching these giant machines in action, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. More incredible footage to come. See you in the next video.